some vehicles. Tractor. Tractor with trailer. Tractor with baler. Tractor with sprayer. Tractor with loader. Tractor with spreader. Tractor with planter. Tractor with plow. Crop duster.
Learning farm animals.
What is it?
It's a cow. Kids, do you know what are the benefits of cow? Let's see. Cow gives us milk. Cow milk has many important health benefits. A. Build strong bones and teeth. B. Protect the heart.
What is it?
It's a duck. Let's see what are ducks used for. Ducks have many economic uses such as A. Meat, B. Eggs, C. Often displayed in zoos.
What is it?
It's a dog. Dogs are popular pet because they are playful, friendly, loyal, and listen to humans. Dogs are used as A. Pets. B. They are used to help humans to do their work, which makes them the best companion. C. They are often used for hunting. Those dogs are known as hunting dogs.
What is it?
It's a goat. Now let's see what are the benefits of having goat. Goat are used for A. Milk, B. Meat.
Thank you.
Learning farm animals.
What is it?
It's a chicken. Kids, do you know what are the benefits of chicken? Let's see. Chicken gives us A. Eggs, B. Meat, which is rich in protein and also good for heart.
What is it?
It's a horse. Kids, here comes a horse. Do you know what is the horse used for? They are used for A. Riding, B. Transport, C. Sports.
What is it?
It's a honeybee. Honeybees are used for A. Honey, B. Wax, C. Pollination.
What is it?
It's a pig. Kids, do you know what a pig used for? Let's see. Pigs are used for A. Meat, known as pork, B. Leather, C. Companionship.
Thank you. Like and subscribe for more videos.